The loudest rich person you know may be one declined card away from total disaster. Because looking rich is expensive. Being rich is usually much quieter. One sign proves nothing, but 10 together start writing a financial confession. And wait until you see number 8. Let's define the baseline. Net worth equals everything you own minus everything you owe. So a $20,000 car with $35,000 owed results in negative $15,000 in wealth. Sign 1, their body is a billboard, but their savings are invisible. Designer labels aren't the problem. Financing the labels is. Sign 2, the car looks wealthy because it ate the owner's wealth. An $800 monthly car payment equals $9,600 yearly before everything else. The car payment is only the opening act. Add insurance, fuel, repairs, and parking. With those included, a $1,350 monthly car payment equals $16,200 yearly. Sign 3, they discuss monthly payments, never the total price. Dealers love asking what feels comfortable. Stretching the term lowers the payment, not necessarily the cost. When financing, you should ask for the price, interest rate, term, fees, and total repaid. Because paying $400 monthly for 72 months totals $28,800. Sign 4, every credit card is having a permanent emergency. Minimum payments make debt look trained while interest eats the furniture. A $5,000 debt at 24% interest, paid at $150 monthly, takes about 56 months to pay off. The exact result varies, but expensive debt never develops manners. Paying that $150 monthly on a $5,000 debt at 24% interest results in approximately $8,322 total repaid. Sign 5, basic purchases arrive in installments like tiny financial hostages. A $500 purchase split into 4 payments equals $125 per payment. Buy now, pay later is still pay later. Future you gets the invoice. Sign 6, payday makes them rich for approximately 11 minutes. Earning $10,000 and spending $10,500 results in a $500 deficit. Lifestyle inflation is just a raise immediately adopted by your expenses. Sign 7, a small emergency becomes a family group chat event. An emergency fund should target 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Your emergency fund target depends on job stability, dependents, insurance, and health needs. Sign 8, as promised, every vacation produces content, then months of payments. A 5-day vacation can result in 18 months of credit card payments. A $6 coffee isn't bankruptcy. The performance around it can be. Spending $6 on coffee for 20 workdays monthly totals $1,440 yearly. The lesson isn't skip coffee. It's stop buying identity by subscription. Sign 9. Their income grows, but their assets remain emotionally unavailable. Wealth is defined as the portion of income you manage not to consume. A standard benchmark is saving 15% of your salary. When investing, start where possible. Capture any employer match and increase gradually. Sign 10. They protect the image more aggressively than the balance sheet. The real financial scoreboard consists of cash flow, net worth, debt, and resilience. To audit yourself, list your assets, debts, fixed payments, savings, and monthly spending. If the numbers hurt, good. The costume finally came off. Looking rich gets attention, but becoming wealthy gets your life back. Hit subscribe. We fix a new money disaster every week, so your broke era officially ends.